In 1988, a peculiar incident occurred at the University of California. Computers began sneezing uncontrollably, disrupting research. The culprit? The Morris worm, the first computer virus to spread widely. It infected 10% of the internet, causing chaos. This digital epidemic raised questions. Could machines catch colds? While the sneezing was metaphorical, the virus was real, highlighting vulnerabilities in technology. This event led to the creation of the Computer Emergency Response Team, CERT, forever changing cybersecurity. How did a simple code cause such havoc? It reminds us of technology's fragility. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.